Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, लाहौर पाकिस्तान से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। आइए स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम ऑनलाइन क्लास लेते हैं बराह रास्त अमेरिका से और हमारे बहुत ही प्यारे बेटे इब्राहिम अपना सबक हमें सुनाएंगे। अस्सलामु अलैकुम, हाउ आर यू बेटा?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, आपका क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक हूँ। Okay, how the situation in America about coronavirus nowadays?
So where I live, we're not in quarantine where you stay inside your house. You have to stay inside your house. Like, we're allowed to go outside, but you're at risk of getting the coronavirus if you go outside.
Okay.
And that most grocery stores don't have like toilet paper or like a lot of perishable foods.
Okay.
And they don't have perishable foods.
Okay. And what's about what's the ratio of a death person and recover person? Have you any idea about it?
No, but I know that like cases in Michigan have gotten really high, and that America is one of the biggest countries with the coronavirus.
Okay. And how's your going on your life in these days in house?
So like I'm having normal like food,
Okay.
obviously.
Okay.
And I just stay at home, and school is also not there.
Okay. What about your school situation? Are you attending a class online or not yet?
We're attending class online. We're using Google Meet.
Okay.
So all of my classmates, which are 19 other people, and our teacher, all get in there, and we all talk and learn.
Okay. And how's the weather there nowadays?
Like today, it was 61 degrees outside.
Okay. And in which city do you live?
Boston.
Boston. Okay. How are the people there?
Like, it's like a very well-known city. There's a lot of restaurants. It's very popular, definitely. A lot of people know about Boston.
Okay.
And that's close to New York.
Okay. And could you please tell me that which book do you like read and enjoy?
I like Harry Potter.
Okay. And another one? Obviously, the Holy Qurran. Do you like it?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. I know you told me that in previous lessons your favorite book of the Holy Qurran. MashaAllah. Okay. And which color do you like it?
I like magenta.
Okay. And what's your favorite teacher in school and online class?
I like my gym teacher.
Yeah. What's name?
Mrs. Mandile.
Okay. Right. Okay, the last question. Okay. Which dish do you like to eat?
Probably naan al-halim.
Naan halim, mashallah. After all, you are Lahoria. Huh? Your parents are Lahoria. You are American. Okay. Thank you very much. You give me your precious time. And let's start your lesson. Okay. So please recite the dua first and then read your lesson.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما.
Okay, good. माशाल्लाह. मैं यहाँ पर अपने स्टूडेंट्स और व्यूअर्स को कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ इस चैनल अल फुरकान हकीम एकेडमी को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हो सके तो इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, लिंक्डइन, व्हाट्सएप पर और फेसबुक पर लाजमी शेयर कीजिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू. नाउ रीड इब्राहिम.
Okay. وما خلقنا السماء والأرض وما بينهما باطل ذلك ظن الذين كفروا فويل للذين كفروا من النار أم نجعل الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كمفسدين في الأرض أم نجعل المتقين كالفجار.
Okay, I tell you that the rule about tajweed. Okay, this is the alif madda here, this one, and this one is huruf qalqala, qaf sakina. Here is the qaf sakina, so this is the huruf qalqala, right? This is the mad muttasil, right there. After long mad hamza is coming, okay, and this is also alif madda. This is the ya leen, okay, and I told you that when I was talking about and telling you about lean letters, there were two lean letters, ya sakina and waw sakina. Okay, when there is a zabar before ya sakina become lean letters, and when there is a zabar before waw sakina, right, then waw sakina become lean letters. So there is one of them, yeah, okay. And batila, right, when we stop there, because there is a tanin tha in the middle of the words, and we will read batila, okay. Next, this is the ya madda here, because there is a zir before ya sakina, and ya sakina become a ya madda here. There is a waw madda here because there is a pesh before waw sakina. This is the waw leen here, and ya madda here, waw madda here, okay, minan nar, right? Okay, next, this is the jim, naj'alul ladina. There is a jim sakina. No, this is the haruf kalkala. Jim is a haruf kalkala, and there is a ya sakina, waw, ya madda, waw madda here, and ya madda here, and again haruf kalkala. Jim has a jazm sign over there, and this is a jim kalkala. Okay, and there is a ya madda.
Kitabun anzalnahu.
You will stretch a little bit about this and prolong it, because there is a ta has a standing zabar over there, and you will little bit stretch, okay. Kitabun, okay, you make a izhar here, because after tanween, after nun sakin and tanveer, if any third letter come, right, then you make a izhar here, okay. Kitabun anzalnahu, you make a ikfa here, okay. Ikfa here, after nun sakina, za is coming, za is a ikfa letter, so you make a ikfa here. Anzalnahu ilayka. Now read it.
Kitabun anzalnahu ilayka mubarakun liyadabbaru ayatihi waliyatazakkaru ulul albab. Albab.
Because when you stop there, okay, and the last letter is ba harkat, there is the zir. When you stop there, the last letter changed into a zir, kasra, okay, when you stop there. So how to pronounce, how to read this word? Ulul albab. Albab. Now read again.
Ulul
albab. Next.
Wawahabna lidahu.
Wawahabna, you make a qaqla here, because the ba has a jazm sign over there. Wawahabna lidawuda Sulaiman. Now read it.
Wawahabna لداه سليمان نعم العبد
نعمل listen نعمل عبد
إنه أواب
إنه أواب
إنهم أواب.
There's a who, not whom. In you make a gunnah here because please keep remember, if you find nun mushadda like this, nun mushadda and mim mushadda, you must make a gunnah here. Okay. Innahu awwab.
Innahu awwab.
MashaAllah, Ibrahim, I think so that's enough for today. And thank you very much. You give me your precious time, okay? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.